I'll show you how the weirdest sounds in our solar system are made. Get ready, some of these are downright spooky. Let's dive in. Turns out there's no sound in space, but NASA gets creative. They take radio waves and magnetic signals from planets like Jupiter and Saturn, then convert them into sounds we can hear. The result? Haunting whooshes, eerie whistles, and even deep rumbles. Jupiter's magnetic field? It sounds like a cosmic thunderstorm. Saturn's rings? Think ghostly wind chimes floating in the void. These space sounds are real data just remixed for our ears. So next time you hear a strange whoosh or whistle, remember, it could be a planet calling across the cosmos. Which planet's sound creeped you out the most? Subscribe for more. Have a wonderful day.